Look class, we have to start 2.2 exercise in which we are going to learn about multiplication of fractions. In the last exercise we have studied about addition and subtraction where we have to take the LCM, but in multiplication you don't have to do like this. You normally have to do multiply or cutting. So 1 and 2 questions is very simple. You have to do in the book. Let me start with third question. The question is multiply and reduce the lowest term and convert it to a mixed fraction. So see class, we cannot do any cutting here. So we'll normally do multiply. 4 ones are 4, 1 threes are 3. Because it is a improper fraction, so we can convert also. 3 ones are 3 minus kara 1. So we can write the answer 1 upon 3 in the mixed fraction. Here normally we cannot do the cutting. So 5 twos are 10 upon 9. Nothing is there, we can put 1. To convert it into mixed fraction, 9 ones are 9 minus 1. So the same applies. Q R upon D means quotient, remainder, divisor. Okay. Here you can see the cutting is possible. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. Okay, so 5 threes are 15. Directly answer has come, no need to divide. Here also the cutting is possible. 5 ones are 5 fours are. 4 fours are 16. So the answer is 16. Clear? Then we have the last part class in which we can do the cutting of 5 and 15. In the table of 5 comes at 1 and 15 comes at 3. So 3 threes are 9. So 9 is the basically answer. I have done 5 parts for you. 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th and 10th. So all the odd parts has become your homework. Okay. Let me tell you about question number 4 in which you have to shade 1 by 2 circles. So first of all we should know how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it means 1 upon 2 of 12. When you will cut this, you will get 6 answer. So basically, you have to shade 6 circles. And then it is written 2 by 3 of the triangles. But we don't know how many triangles we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 3 ones are 3 threes are. What is 2 into 3? 6. It means you have to shade 6 triangles. Okay. Then we have 3 by 5 of the squares. How many squares it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So class 3 by 5 of 15 means 5 ones are 5 threes are. So 3 threes are 9. So we have to shade 9 squares. Okay. So in this way you have to do the question of shading. This question you can do in the book only because in the book there is a proper space. Let's move to the next question, number 5, which is to find. Okay, find means you have to find the answer. As you can see, there are 2 parts, 2 by 3 of 18 and of this 27. So here I am writing 2 by 3 of means multiply. One time you have to do with 18 and one time you have to do with 27. Okay. Class, keep one thing in mind always. Cutting is always done in numerator and denominator. Both numerators cannot cut and both denominators also cannot cut. 3 ones are 3 sixes are. 2 sixes are 12. Then this 3 ones are 3 nines are. 2 nines are 18 is the answer. No need to convert into fractions also because only one answer has come. then this 4 by 5 of 20, and this 4 by 5 of 35. Okay, you can cut this. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 fours are 16. So 16 is the answer. 5 ones are 5 sevens are 4 sevens are 28 is the answer. Okay, in this way we are able to do first and second part. Okay, today we will do only question number 5. Please see the homework. Question number 1 and 2 in the book, and question number 3 first, third, fifth, seventh and ninth part. And in question number 5 I have done B and C. So you have to do B and D. I have done, sorry. So you have to do A and C. Okay, so this is the homework. Please do the homework very carefully and complete all the parts. In case of any query, do let me know. We'll discuss it again. Okay.